Hey, what's up, Scott? Real quick, I want to take a moment of your life to show you the mathematics behind calculating the probability of winning the Powerball and why I consider Powerball the tax on stupid. So, in order for me to do this, I first got to show you some notation. We're going to talk about what's called a factorial. So, if I was to write something like this, which means 5 factorial, that means it's 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right? And we know that 1 times anything is always whatever it is, so we don't have to write the 1 in. Another thing to look at real quick, if you ever see a 0 factorial, that's going to equal 1. It's just a law of math. Just believe in it for a few minutes. So Powerball is based off a thing called combination theory. I'm just going to abbreviate this. That equation is written like this, n x. What that's saying is, and I'm going to relate this to Powerball. So we're going to have 69 balls, right? So n is our population. We're going to pick 5, and we're going to find out how many combinations of 5 balls can we get out of 69, right? So with Powerball, we have 69 white balls, right? We're going to pick 5. And then with the Powerball number, there's 26 red. And you have to get that ball right. Using the equation we just looked at to do the white balls, we're going to take n is equal to 69. X is equal to 5, right? So we're going to have CR 69. 5 is equal to 69. Right? Now that's just going to reduce down to 69 factorial. 5 factorial times 64 factorial. I'm going to punch this in the calculator real quick. We have 69 factorial divided by 5 factorial times 64 factorial. That's going to be 11 equals 1, 1, 2, 3, 8, 5, 1, 3. Now we also got to take into account the Powerball, right? So with Powerball, we're going to have, so with the red, we're going to have n is equal to 26, x is equal to 1. This is going to be kind of simple, right? So 26, 1 is equal to 26, 1. And I know that this is going to be 26 factorial over 20, which is just going to equal 26. So now we're going to take 11 million, this number, 238,513, and times it by 26. The reason we're going to do that is because these two things they're independent of each other. So our selection of the 5 white balls is going to be independent of the selection of the 1 red. So we multiply those two together, and we'll get how many combinations there are. How many combinations there are of for Powerball, right? Which is 292,201,338. Like I was just saying, there's 292,201,338 combinations that you can select for the Powerball. Now, to get your actual odds, so to get your actual odds, you would actually write it like this: 1 over 292,201,338. This is going to be essentially 0, right? So I can take 1 divided by second answer. I don't know if you could see this number. It's going to tell you, if you can focus it, this is going to be 3, but that's e to the negative 9. That's scientific notation. 1 second, I'm going to write it out. So you can see 1 divided by that 292,201,338 is 0.0000000342229. To get your percentage, you times that by 100, and well, this number is approximately 0. So your odds of winning Powerball are right there, 0. 0%. That's your odds of winning the Powerball. So there you have it. As you can clearly see, the odds of winning the Powerball is just about 0. There's always that chance, there's that small chance, but your odds of winning the Powerball are 0. Hope that brings a little bit light on how to do that. There's a little bit different of an equation that we're going to use for figuring out some of the other probabilities, like if you get all 5 balls correct, but you don't get the Powerball ball correct, how you figure that out, it's going to be a different equation. It's called a hypergeometric. I'll put another video together and put all that stuff in, or I'll just put the equations and show you how to do them in the writing for this blog post. Hope this is enlightening and gives you a little bit more knowledge in life. Good luck, and just send me the dollar bills instead of paying for Powerball. You're gonna get the same return.